Hi, my name is Badbi. Welcome back to our another German session. In the last session, we have learned how to read German and the German some of the vowels, and we have also learned the basic expressions like how to say hi, hello, and how to say good morning in German. And we have also learned the numbers till 12, and we also done the days and the months. We just have a quick recap of the last session. So, how to say hi, hello, good morning, guten Morgen, good afternoon, guten Nachmittag, noon, guten Mittag, good evening, guten Abend, good night, gute Nacht. And how to say days, Monday, Montag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Thursday, Donnerstag, Friday, Freitag, Saturday, Samstag or Sonnabend. And months, Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November and December. And we also done the numbers till 12, 0 to 12. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. And today in this session we are going to know how to read the alphabets, German alphabets. Totally how many alphabets are there, then how to read the German alphabets, and we'll continue the numbers from 12 to 20. So first we go through with the alphabets. In German also we have the same alphabets 26 A to Z, but the way how we read is different. So normally we say, in English we say like A, B, C, D, okay, but in German we read it as A, okay. You can write any of your mother tongue. So A, B, C, D. See, the alphabet is same, but the way how we are reading in German is different. The same alphabet we read in English as A, but in German I read it as A. So we have to read this in German as A. So A, B, C, D, and this is A. A, F, same like English, A, F, G, G, H, A, F, G, H. So A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, and this is E, E, this is yacht, okay, Vivoti kind of yacht. So E, yacht, K, K, L, same like English, M, E, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, air, N, O, P, Q, air, S, T, S, T, U, V, V, S, T, U, V, V, X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z. So once again, A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, yacht, Ka, L, M, N, O, Pe, Ku, Air, S, Te, U, Fau, Ve, Ix, Epsilon, Set. So this is how we read the alphabet in German. This is alphabet. Alphabet is used only to spell. See how to read this. For example, we are reading this as good. Okay, good. See, we are reading it as good, but if you to spell G O O D, this is spelling. Spelling means we are reading how this alphabet is called, but reading is how this letter sound and we combine the sounds of all the letters and we read it. So reading is different from spelling. Alphabets are used to spell. So the same thing. So see here, if I read it as a word, I read it as good, but if I spell G O O D, it is a spelling. Same thing in German. Be very clear whether you are reading or whether you are spelling. For example, see in German. Now, if you want to read it, don't spell. For example, if I want to read, I read it as gut, but don't read it as like ge u te. No, that is a spelling. So this alphabet we read in German as ge, and this as u, and this as te. If you spell, you can say ge u te, but if you are reading it as a word, then you have to take the sounds ga sound, u sound and ta sound. So it is gut. Okay, so reading is different from spelling. So alphabets are used only to spell. If you are reading, we have to take the sound from the alphabet and we combine and we read it. Okay, in the last session I have already given the vowel sounds like a, e, o, u and I, e, I, s plus vowel. So all the sounds I have given. So just go through this one so that it's easy for you to read the German properly. Now in German we have total 30 alphabets. As of now we done the 26 alphabets, the same like A to Z in English, but we read it in a different way. But there are 4 additional alphabets in German. Now we see what are those 4 additional alphabets. The first one is like this. So normally this we call, okay, in mathematical symbol we call this as beta, but in German we call this as a set. We call this as a set. Its name is a set. Okay, it is an alphabet, its name is a set, but the sound is like sa sound, double s. So whenever a set comes, we have to read like sa. For example, see how to read this. So don't spell, read it. So grow, and the sound is sa, so it is grows. Okay, so just now we learned the alphabets A to Z, 26 alphabets, but in German we have total 30 alphabets, means there are 4 additional alphabets in German. So what are those 4 additional alphabets and how to pronounce them? Okay, now see the first one. So by saying this we can say it as like beta. In mathematical symbol terminology we call it as beta, but in German we call this as a set. In German we call this alphabet, it's an alphabet, and we call this alphabet as a set. And wherever a set comes, we have to give the sound like sa sound. Its name is a set and the sound is sa sound. See for example how to read this one. So grow, grows. Don't read it like grow a set. No, it is the pronunciation like spelling. If you spell it like ge, air, o, a set. Okay, like that. If you read it as a word, then it is grows, sa sound. If you spell this as an individual alphabet, then you read it as a set. But if you read it as a word, then it is sa sound, grows. See here. So it is high sen, Hysen, Hysen, and this one Schließen, Schließen. So a set, the sound is sa sound. Gross, Hysen, Schließen. Once again, gross, Hysen, Schließen. And the second one, so normally we read it as a, and if we put the dots, these dots are called umlaut. The dots are called umlaut. So now we read it as a umlaut, a umlaut. It is called as a umlaut, but the sound is a plus ya sound, like a plus ya, like ya. Okay, for example, see this we read as andar, a is like a sound, but if I keep these dots, then it is, we call it as endar. Okay, endar. If there are no dots, then it is simply a sound, so it is andar. If there are dots like umlaut, then we read it as endar. Now see here, this we read it as fairt. Okay, a umlaut, then the sound is a plus ya sound, so it is fairt. And this is erklären. Okay, erklären, a umlaut, so it is a plus ya sound, so it is erklären. So the first one is set and the sound is sa sound. Second one, a umlaut, the sound is a plus ya sound. And the third one, it is o umlaut, o umlaut. So the sound is o plus ya sound. Okay, o plus ya, like yo. Normally we simply say o plus ya, yo. Normally we read this as mobile. Okay, mobile. But if there is umlaut, then we read as mo plus ya, so it is myo, myobel. This is Kjoln. Okay, Kjoln. And this is Hjoren. Normally if it is this, Horen, but if we keep umlaut, then it is ya sound, so it is Hjoren, myobel, Kjoln, Hjoren. So the first one is a set, second one a umlaut, and third one o umlaut, and the last one it is u umlaut. U umlaut, the sound is u plus ya sound, u plus ya sound, like you, you. For example, see this, normally we read it as uben, uben, but if I keep umlaut, then it is, we are stressing on the ya sound, so it is Yuben. Okay, Yuben. See, it is Fünf, Fünf. So we read this as Übung, u plus ya sound, so it is Übung. First one a set, second one a umlaut, and third one o umlaut, and the fourth one u umlaut. A set is like sa sound, and a umlaut a plus ya sound, o umlaut o plus ya sound, and the last one u umlaut, it is u plus ya sound. So previously 26 plus, these are all the 4 alphabets, together we have 30 alphabets in German. So by these alphabets we can read German easily, but only the thing is you have to remember the pronunciation and what is the sounds of those alphabets. Practice once, it's easy for you to read the German as it is. Next one, we done the numbers in the last session, we'll continue with those numbers. We done the numbers till 12. Just revise once quickly. How do we say 0? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, Svjolf. Okay, so these are all the numbers from 0 to 12 we have done in the last session. Now we are continue the numbers from 13. How to say 13? 13 is nothing but 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 is 3 plus 10, 13. What is 3? Dry. What is 10? Sane. Combine the both. So 3 is dry and 10 is sane. So it is dry, sane, dried sane. Okay, dry, sane, dried sane. Next 14. 14 is nothing but 4 plus 10. What is 4? Fear. 10 sane. So it is fear, sane. So 13 dried sane, 14 fear, sane. 15 5 plus 10. What is 5? Fünf. Fünf, sane. 16 6 plus 10. What is 6? Sechs. But in 16 we don't write the complete sechs, we write only till zek. Zek sane, not sechs sane, it is only zek sane. And 17 7 plus 10. 7 sieben and 10 sane. So again here we don't write the complete sieben, we write only sieb. So it is sieb sane. So in 16 and 17 we don't write the complete sechs and sieben, we write only 6 has here zek and 7 has here sieb. So zeksane and siebsane. But if you are writing the 6 and 7 as an individual number, 6 we write it as zeks, 7 we write it as sieben. But if you are writing it is only in 16 and 17, we write zek and sieb. Next one 18. 18 is 8 plus 10. What is 8? Oct. So it is 8 plus 10. So oct sane. Oct sane. 19 9 plus 10. What is 9? 9 sane. 9 sane. 9 plus 10. 9 sane. So 13 dried sane, 14 fiat sane, 15 fünf sane, 16 zek sane, 17 sieb sane, 18 oct sane, 19 neun sane. 20. Okay. What is 19? 9 plus 10. 20 10 plus 10. No, not like this. 20 we have a separate word. It is swansig or swansig. So 20 we call it as swansig or swansig. Ending with ig. We read this as ig or ish. Both are right. So it is swansig or swansig. So revise once. 13 dried sane. 3 plus 10. Dry is 3. 10 is sane. So it is dried sane. 14 fiat sane. 15 fünf sane. 16 zek sane. 17 sieb sane. 18 oct sane. 19 neun sane and 20 swansig. From 13 to 19 we have all this like sane, like the number plus 10. 15 5 plus 10, so it is fünf sane. 18 8 plus 10, so it is oct sane. 14 4 plus 10, so it is fiat sane. So 20 swansig. Okay. Next, what is 10? Sane. 20 swansig. Now 30. 30 we say it as dreisig. 30 we say dreisig. 3 is dry. So here all it will come like sish. So in tens like 13, 14, 15 we use sane. In 30, 40, 50, 60 we use sish. But only in 30 here we use a set. Remaining all we use jet. Okay. 40. What is for? Fear. Then use sish. So fear sish. Fear sish. 50. What is 5? Fünf. So fünf sish. Fünf sish. 60. What is 6? Sechs. But in 60 also we don't use complete sechs. We use only zek. So it is zek sish. Zek sish. So only in 30 we use a set. In 40, 50, 60, 70 remaining all we use jed. So 70. What is 7? Sieben. Again we use here sieb. So it is sieb sish. Sieb sish. And 80 sish 80, oct sish 90, 9, what is 9? 9. So, it is 9 sish 100, we read it as 100, 100, we read it as 100 T. So, 20 svansish, 30 dreisish, 40 viertsish, 50 fünfsish, 60 sechsish, 70 siebsish, 80 achtsish, 90 neunsish, 100 100. You can see here in 16, 17, 60 and 70. Okay, 16 sechzehn, 60 sechsish. We are not using complete 6, it is only zek. In 17 siebzehn, 70 siebzig, again here we are using sieb. If it is individual, okay, 6 and 7 sechs and sieben, but in 16, 17 and 60, 70 we use zek and sieb. And in 30 dreisish we use the asset, remaining all we use z. Okay. So, these are all the numbers from 0 to 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. I repeat once again, just okay, revise once. So, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Just repeat after me once again. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. So, numbers are very easy, only the thing is you must know from 0 to 12. Remaining all it's the combination of this. In 13, 14, 15 we are using just 3 plus 10, 4 plus 10, 5 plus 10. In 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s we are using again 2, 3, 4 plus 6. So, in the next session we learn like 21, 22, 23, okay, the remaining numbers how to say, that we will do it in the next session. So, today we have learned the alphabets and the special sounds and the numbers, continuation from 12. Okay. Now, just we revise once fastly. So, first I am revising the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Pe, Ku, Air, S, Te, U, Fau, Ve, X, Epsilon, Set. So those are the 26 alphabets, and we have the 4 additional alphabets. The first one is a set. It is like sa sound. The next one a umlaut. So it is like a plus ya sound, like ya. Next one o umlaut. So it is o plus ya sound, like yo. And the last one it is u umlaut. So it is u. U umlaut. So it is u sound. So these are all the 26 plus 4. So together it is 30 alphabets. Next we done the numbers. So I am just repeating fastly: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So these are all the things that we have learned today. In the next session, we'll catch up with another topics. Okay, bye.